Hi, Tripti. Good morning. Thank you so much for taking the time for this conversation today.
Very good morning, Diksha. Thanks a lot for giving me the opportunity to talk today and also to, let everyone know about the quality group.
That's our pleasure for sure. First of all, I would like to wish you a very happy New Year. And how has been the New Year so far for you?
No, thanks a lot, Diksha, and wish you the same. The year has been good. It's already the 15th of Jan, so 16th of Jan actually. So it's like it just zipped by the 2 weeks, but it's been amazing. Had a good time spent with my family, and I'm glad that there was a small break that I could take. Looking forward to the charging Q4 and the whole 2026.
All right, that sounds great. All right, so well, the idea of today's chat is to hear your thoughts on how 2026 looks like for you. And I have few questions lined up. So, shall we get started?
Yeah, sure. Yeah.
All right. So here's the first question for you. What's one habit or mindset you believe will matter the most for success in 2026?
All right. So for me, the most important habit or mindset that will be essential in 2026 for success is focusing on first time right delivery approach. That is like getting things right the first time saves efforts, reduces costs, and builds a trust with our clients. Alongside that, I believe a mindset of continuous improvement is critical. Consistent improvements across processes, such as standardizing estimations and embracing AI and Gen AI driven systems, will help us achieve significant gains in quality and deliver an engineering excellence at scale.
All right, that's really insightful. Okay, what's one lesson from 2025 that you want to carry in 2026?
All right. So there are multiple lessons, but one key lessons from 2025 is that customer experience truly defines quality. Every decision we make should reflect what would lead to customer satisfaction. And another lesson that is agility. Agility that is being adaptable in delivery is non negotiable if we want to stay ahead in this fast changing market.
Okay, what does limitless together mean to you as a leader this year?
All right. So for me, Limitless Together means breaking the silos and collaborating across teams, the SBU teams, the service lines, and the functions to create a scalable, high quality solutions. It's also about leveraging collective intelligence. When we work as one, we can deliver beyond expectations and create real impact for our clients.
Yes, that unity is powerful. Okay, one thing you want our people to do in 2026.
I want everyone to take ownership of quality at every stage. That means applying the quality first mindset in everything we do, like focusing on engineering best practices, leveraging AI powered systems to detect risks early, etc. So, quality isn't just the responsibility of the quality team or the quality control team, which is the testing team. Quality is everyone's responsibility. And I would recommend our delivery teams to be proactive. Follow the right processes, templates from Q Excellence, which is our TechM's business management system. Reuse accelerators from KStore, which is TechM's knowledge management system. And anticipate risks and defects before they impact delivery.
All right, I think yes, quality is what it will make differentiate from others. All right, so the last question for you is if your team had a jersey name or a tagline written on the back, what would it say?
Okay. So if QA had a jersey, it would say quality champions, supercharging excellence the quality way. This phrase captures our commitment to quality, innovation, and delivery excellence.
All right, I think that's interesting as a tagline. That's a wrap for you. And thank you for sharing your perspective. It's truly insightful, and I think it will help guide us as we move forward.
Thank
Thank
you
you so
so
much.
much, Diksha. Thanks a lot. It was a pleasure talking, and I hope all my insights help the delivery teams, and they take this as one of the guiding principles for 2026. Thank you.
Thank you so much.